members of the expert panel formed by the Supreme Court to review the new farm laws has now recused himself. The former MP and national president of the Bhartiya Kisan Union said that he is quitting in view of prevailing apprehensions and sentiments over farm laws. He added that he would not take any position to compromise the interest of Punjab and the farmers of the nation. Mann further added that he will stand with the farmers. Some protesting outfits had earlier claimed that Mann supports the farm laws and hence his presence on the panel is untenable. Supreme Court on Tuesday formed a committee of agricultural experts to take over negotiations between the government and the farmers' unions. In fact, the top court had also stayed the implementation of the 3 new farm laws. Now, taking a jibe at the Modi government, Rahul Gandhi had said that they are only helping a few businessmen and not the farmers at large. Farmers will not forgive them. Here's what he had said. Take a listen.
The government is not just neglecting them. The government is conspiring to destroy them. They are trying to destroy them because they want to benefit 2 or 3 of their friends. I'm very, very proud of what the farmers are doing, and I fully support the farmers, and I will continue to stand with them. Mark my words, take it from me. These laws, the government will be forced to take them back.
Aneesha Mathur joining us live for more details. Aneesha, what's really the future of this panel now with Bhupinder Mann, who is one of the panelists appointed by the Supreme Court, quits from the panel saying that he stands with the farmers? This is, of course, brought in embarrassment to the committee undoubtedly. What next now? And what's the farmers' opinion on this?
Well, Adela, the farmers at the Singhu border are quite happy with the fact that the BS Mann has decided to recuse himself from this committee. They are saying that it is high time that he remembers that he is a farmer leader. It is very interesting because not only here at the protest site, but also on social media, a lot of people had come out to criticize the constitution of the panel. They said that all 4 members of the panel had at one point or the other written articles or made statements supporting these 3 farm laws, and therefore they did not believe that this panel would give relief to the farmers or even give them a fair hearing. And that was a very serious allegation that was being raised by the farmers who are protesting that this committee is already a biased committee. That is what they were saying. Now with BS Mann's designation, they are once again saying that maybe at this time the government will have to take their point of view more seriously. However, as far as the future of this committee itself is concerned, the Supreme Court is set to hear on the 18th, that is next week, the petition by the government against the proposed tractor march. So on that day, it is likely that some application seeking modification of Tuesday's order could also once again be heard. Since now with the Mann's resignation, the court will have to either reconstitute the committee or change the way the earlier order has been passed with regard to what the committee is going to do and who are going to be the members of the committee. So all eyes will now be on the apex court. But the farmers, at least at the Singhu border, are saying that this was what we wanted to happen. This committee, we do not trust that this committee would have done us justice. So a lot of things now being said, but a lot depends on tomorrow's negotiation with the government and the next hearing in the apex court.
Right. Thank you very much, Aneesha, for joining us with those details. In fact, it is 51 days of the farmers' protests, and they're gearing up for a mega tractor rally on Republic Day. My colleague Manjeet Negi brings us this ground report.